Hello everyone. Today we're going to cook. In Super Cat Life, let me just go get some stuff.
So this guy, okay, wow, man, and that was the guy who I was trying to kill the whole time too. Oh man, free throw is pretty cool because
So we're going to need scissors, pack of beans, milk, sugar, and a bowl. So first you put the sugar in, then you put the beans in, and then you put the milk, and then stir it with your paw if you have a cat. Now you wash your hands. Oh man, I need to go to the bathroom. Wait a sec. I'm back. So now you put this in. Oh great, I have something in the oven. My glasses fall off. Sorry. I'm recording, Mommy.
You're recording? There you go, baby boy.
Okay, let's put this in.
Was that yay?
Done.
Hello.
Now you wait
Oh, bring your water bottle over here.
1 minute.
Come here. Come here. I can open that for you too. It's hot up here. I think.
So while we're
That's
waiting,
why.
you can do whatever you want, but I like to look at the cooking book. Let's go get it.
you guys, they have the exact
Hello. Drink your water, Carla's full.
trying to make an escape. This is
Hurry.
1v1 pillow fights
No,
right here.
don't
Come
go
and say
there.
goodbye.
Go. Put your lips in there. Right here.
We have Raymond 505C coming at him from behind as Diamond
More.
Spike Pro does try to make an escape in the water. Seems to be working as he swims away out of the fight. However,
More, Carla, more.
Okay. Since we have the cookbook, let's go read this and then wait.
After did you take There you go, baby boy.
Thank you.
Ate, what's crackers?
Thank you.
Ate, crackers.
Okay.
You know how to open it?
And then done.
You have your own channel.
Yeah.
You do?
Okay. It's called Miss Kitty. My name is Miss Kitty. And then here you go. Here's the Super Cat famous soup. If you have cookies, you can try this, the cookies, and the Super Cat soup. Try it for yourself on Super Cat Island. Nom 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 nom. This is pretty good.